when we first bought this building, moved into it, our needs had changed, but our furniture hadn't.
From the Workspace Solutions Files, Sands Office Equipment.
We've really enjoyed the relationship that we have with Workspace. We spend a lot of time together evaluating our daily processes, our workflow throughout the office.
We spent hours reviewing their office needs, talking to personnel, measuring, remeasuring. They have 2 pillars right in the middle of the room, and those are support pillars for the building. So we had to work around those. And as you can see, there's very little privacy in the office, so that was something we were trying to deal with also.
Something that Greg did for us that I just was kind of like, okay, wow, was their trial of an office chair.
You have to sit in it for a while, not 2 hours, not even 2 days. Many times it takes a week.
And so we had all these different chairs within our office that people would switch around and try off.
And a chair makes all the difference in the world, just like a pair of good shoes.
I know that if I pick up the phone and I have a question for Greg and call him, even if I leave a voicemail, he's going to get back to me relatively quickly.
I may not have the answer right away, but I always call the customer back and say, this is where I'm at in the process.
The whole team, they are truly treating you with the golden rule: responsiveness, accountability, integrity, professionalism. Those are the values that Sands Office holds, and those are the values that we saw Workspace demonstrate. As Workspace and Sands worked more and more together, they began to rent warehouse space from us so that they could have a Warsaw warehouse. Now they actually have a Warsaw complete office. They have a full-time staff person here.
It's a place where people can come and look at product, put their hands on it. We have about 5,000 square feet of used and refurbished furniture for clients to see. So whether it's a person working in their home, working in their office, working in their church, they can come out here, take a look at what we have, and in most cases find something to fit in that budget that they're looking for.
So it's been a great partnership that we've been able to go out and do joint sales calls together and be able to enjoy the relationship as well as the reputation that both companies have.
He's got people coming to him asking about furniture. I got people coming to me asking about equipment. So it's just a natural fit.
They've done such a great job of evaluating and providing solutions for us, just as we do for our customers, that we know that in the future we're just going to continue to be working together more and more with the partnership and with our own offices.